Everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the July 2025 Hero Studio release. In this video, I will cover all subscription options including the card kit, die set, stamp and cut, cling stamp, and layering stencils of the month. I'll also go over the whole studio as well as the bonus item for July. Let's take a closer look at everything that's included in this month's kit. The July card kit includes the On the Road Heroscape stamp set, the On the Road Heroscape coordinating dies, the Let's Go die set, a Pine Core ink cube, 10 half sheets of colored cardstock in the colors of Sicily, Coral, Bellini, Waterfall, Teal Topaz, Blue Spruce, Peridot, Beeswax, Saffron, and Carrot, as well as a half sheet of mirrored silver cardstock. We're going to start off with the Let's Go die set. Now this is a very large die set and I divided it up into two parts, starting off with this part here which actually creates the interior of a car. So think of the dash with the steering wheel, vents, rearview mirror. The second part that you see here adds the people as well as some accessories to be in your car. So you can see some sunglasses as well as legs and arms. These dies of course can be used all on their own, but they actually pair beautifully with the new On the Road Heroscape also included in the kit. The On the Road Heroscape is also included in the July card kit, and it creates a wonderful landscape that you can place at the windshield of your card. And of course, they're coordinating dies that allow you to die cut this landscape or this scene out. In addition to dies for the sentiments, you actually have 3 dies that can be used to cut out the scene so you can pop up different elements to add some more dimension. 1 die that cuts out the mountains, and then 2 dies, one that cut out the top and the bottom of the scene. Also included in this kit is a paper pack. This pack includes 10 sheets of colored cardstock. Each sheet is a different color and measures 5.5 by 8.5. Also included is a half sheet of mirrored cardstock, which is perfect for the car accents. And the last item included in the July card kit is a pine ink cube. Use this ink cube to stamp some of the layers or accents in the On the Road Heroscape. Now that we finished our overview of the contents of the July card kit of the month, let's move on to our next monthly subscription, the die set of the month. Mix Tape is this month's die set. It creates the cutest cassette tape with all the accents including reels and tape. There is even a sentiment that's created out of tape itself. Use colored cardstock to make cute rainbow stripes or color your die cuts to add even more realism and depth. Next up, we have the Stamp and Cut of the month. Sending Big Hugs is this month's Stamp and Cut. This 4x6 clear stamp set creates these amazing dimensional looking sentiments. You have 2 layers for the sentiments and then you have additional images to create sort of a postcard like look. There's also coordinating dies for all the sentiments and postcard elements. This set works beautifully all on its own but looks truly incredible when paired with the On the Road Heroscape stamp set included in this month's card kit. Next, we have the Cling Stamp of the month. The Cobblestone Courtyard stamp is a gorgeous 6x6 red rubber cling that creates a beautiful patterned background that's truly wonderful for numerous occasions and is definitely an evergreen product that you will find yourself reaching for time and time again. Next up is the Layering Stencils of the month. The Just Keep Going Layering Stencils is a 4-piece layering stencil set. Each one of the stencils has 4 registration marks on each one of the 4 corners. They're also labeled so you know the order to do them, and these are just a wonderful set to create your focal point and sentiment all in one. Now let's finish up with our final subscription option, the Whole Studio. So just to quickly recap, the Whole Studio includes the July Card Kit of the Month, the July Die Set of the Month Mixtape, the July Stampin' Cut of the Month Sending Big Hugs, the July Cling of the Month Cobblestone Courtyard, the July Layering Stencils of the Month Just Keep Going, and this month's bonus item is the Everything is Pine Stampin' Cut. This fun stamp set creates that classic pine tree shaped air freshener that we all know and love, and there are some credible sentiments included in this set. There's also a coordinating die that makes die cutting out that pine tree air freshener very quick and easy. And that completes our closer look at the July Hero Studio release. Be sure to check out today's blog hop celebrating this incredible release packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration as well as pick up your July Hero Studio products at heroarts.com. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.